Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create Bybit Sub Account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and in the search bar, you will have to type Bybit. After that, you just have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into the Bybit account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over to your profile icon in the top, and then you will have to click on the option of Account and Security. This will land you on the account and security page where you are going to see this sub account section in the left hand side. So you will have to click on sub account, and here you are going to see all of the sub accounts that you have created previously. Now, in order to create a new sub account, you will have to click on the create sub account option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then it will give you a bunch of different options that you can use to create sub accounts. For example, you can create a standard sub account in which you can log into a standard sub account via account switch without entering a password. You can even create custodial trading sub account. So with a custodial trading sub account, you can entrust your funds to professional trading teams for asset management. This fund access cannot be granted to trading teams on a standard sub account. So you just have to select which type of sub account you want to create. For this video, I will go with standard sub account. So I'll simply click on standard sub account option. Then it will ask you to give the nickname to your sub account. So I'm going to give it this name. After that, you just have to scroll down, and then you just have to turn the toggle button on right next to required password for login. Then you just have to create a strong password for your sub account. Afterwards, you need to click on this confirm button over here, and this way you will be able to create sub account on Bybit, and you are going to view all of your sub account in this section. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.